Kelsey School. I'm Miss Green.
And I'm Mrs. McLaughlin.
And today we're here to do an experiment with some lemons. We are going to be building a lemon volcano. So the first thing before we start is we need to find out what our problem is. And what we want to find out is, can I turn a lemon into a volcano?
So right now what we'd like you to do is we'd like you to pause the video and look at your experiment sheet and make your hypothesis. So you think you can or you cannot turn your lemon into a volcano.
All right, the things that you need in order to do this experiment is lemons, baking soda, a food coloring, popsicle stick, dish soap, and some sort of tray.
So you're gonna have a grown-up at home do this first and second step for you. The first thing that they're gonna do is they're gonna cut the bottom off of the lemon to make it so it's nice and flat. The second step they're gonna do is they're going to take their knife and cut a cone shape out of the top where we're going to pour in some of our supplies next. They can take a little bit extra out and scoop out any seeds that might be in there and just get it a little bit juicy. If you want some more juice for later on, you could even squeeze a second lemon and keep the juice in a cup to add in later. Okay, so flat bottom, juice in the center, and put it inside a pie plate so that way you can control any mess that might come. The first thing we're gonna do after we've cut it open is we are going to add a couple drops of food coloring onto our lemon. Next, we're going to add a squeeze of dish soap. And then we're going to add a little spoonful of baking soda. And next, what we're gonna do is we are going to use our popsicle stick to stir it up and watch the reaction occur. If you have extra juices from your lemon, what you could do is you can keep adding extra lemon juice and your reaction will keep on happening. What this is doing is it's creating a chemical reaction because we are taking different materials and mixing them together and we are producing something brand new.
All right, on your piece of paper, now I want you to do your observation. It says, what did you notice? Draw what happened. Draw what happened when you did this experiment. And then finally, put your conclusion. Using words, tell us what you learned from this experiment.
We'd love to see your pictures and videos on our Kelsey Community School Facebook page.
Thank you. Bye.